cinema stuff. They used the same camera, in fact, when they filmed a scene in Fast and Furious. Plenty of time. I don't even know left then. Oh, what are you doing? What's under my front brake? Spongy. Oh my god, and it's gone lovely. Weather's been all over the place if you don't know in the UK. It's been sunny, bright, raining, and yeah, it's just been all over the place. We've got to make his mind up. We've got snow in Devon. It has been really cold. I've got loads of layers on. I've got new trousers to try out soon. And yeah, I'm going to take a detour. We're going to go to here. We're actually going to go down here and have a proper look at the scooter. Wow, I can't believe I got a new Insta360, man. It's fucking... Wah! Where's the fucking wasp went my hammer? Fucking bastard sting me. Even the wasps are confused. They should still be at home chilling, you know. Whatever they do. This camera's banging, man. Oh, I've spent over an hour trying to set it up. It's like a bit of a headache, but we're going to go underneath the tunnel. The tunnel, the tunnel, the tunnel. Ooh, potholes. Ah! Oh, bumpy, off-roading ting, man. The bike's going to get dirty, but we're going to be washing it tomorrow when we've got nice weather. But yeah, Thursday video is going to be a banger on the new Insta360. And you guys get to look at the lovely tunnel. But yeah, we're going to get some scenic shots. Let's head in it, blood. Big bang ting. Big bang ting. Where's my favourite picture? There's been new like paintings been put down here. Loads in fact. But my favourite one is still back where it should be. Right down there, you bonkers Sam. You could have gone closer. Oh. So yeah. Engine off. We'll put it onto centre stand, hopefully no one comes down. So yeah. Here's the scooter in the beautiful tunnel. Look how clean she is. She is clean, isn't she? Cleanish. But I'll try and keep it clean. Wax it. I use turtle wax to wash her down. People just really underrate these scooters, but they're fucking brilliant. Best scooter I've ever owned. But yeah, as you may know, my one of my first ever videos on the YouTube channel, I brought my e-bike down here and I did a video on it. And I went from a cheapy phone that was mounted to my chest to a proper GoPro now. Legendary. Come so far, haven't we? Look at that. Right. Just wanted to test the camera out really. But bloody hell, the quality is going to be a banger. I hope my laptop can handle this one. I'm recording in 2.7K with 30 FPS. I was going to record in the full 6K, 60 FPS, but that's the wrong resolution for when you're riding, all the speed and all. And it won't look exciting. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos and tips and all on how to set the camera up properly and all, but I recommend getting one. Oh, they're really good. Lovely weather. Yeah, we're gonna just go for a little ride and just have a test on the camera and talk about the channel. So yeah, I'm stuck on a decision at the moment of planning to make a new YouTube channel with the new camera and all. Obviously create a new YouTube channel, but the better quality videos will be on the new YouTube channel, you know. Yeah, that would be brilliant. All my subscribers are on this main channel at the moment, but I'm thinking of going to a new YouTube channel and start fresh. Because all these video qualities that I've uploaded to you guys are terrible edits, so I want to edit better videos out later, start learning and I'll get a MacBook at some point. Because yeah, the laptop I'm using is not the best. It's a HP, so it's overpriced. Highly priced, that's why it's so good. this to edit better videos. So yeah, so I think the first video I'm going to post on YouTube is to try it out, see how much it gets. Me doing a review on the scooter. I love this thing. Look how quick it is. It's national speed limit is 60. Look at that car, mate. You're getting picked up. The Seat Ibiza FR Sport that I've got, well had, but yeah, here we go, wait for, oh, MR2's going left, right, let's go, let's fucking go, man, I'm so excited, I've got the new camera for this video, it is banging man, something, gravelly, wet, you got to be cautious on these roads. Hopefully it's not really quick, but you can actually see it properly about this Insta360 is meant to be waterproof. Back on that same road we just razzed it on. But yeah, I'm just going to head back and edit this video. It's just going to be a short video, just telling you guys I've got the new camera. I've been busy, you know, the past couple of weeks, but Saturday, don't forget, I've got a banger video coming out. Well, not coming out, I'll be recording this Saturday. They'll be coming out on Monday, Tuesday, possibly Tuesday, because I'll try and upload like on a schedule Tuesday, Thursdays, and sometimes Tuesday, Thursdays, sometimes Saturdays. But this Saturday I don't think I'll be able to edit the video time, so it's going to be hold up for Saturday's video. Yeah, I don't know, I want to try and plan a better schedule too. Maybe upload on a Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, or Saturday, on the days. Obviously, I still got to go out and make videos and content. I've talked to what through that I need to with you guys, you know. But new bike, bad bike so far, it's obviously going to be another 1T5. Early because I went on 24th birthday, so 4 years, yeah. In my full A1 license, access. Any bike I want, and the bike I've got in mind is going to blow everyone like bullshit, Sam. Yeah, the bike I've got in mind is going to blow everyone away, and I want to go crazy. Look at it, it's dead again. It's me. I like to take a risk in life, the rest of the year. I love going fast, I love going slow, I love finding the stage between. I'm not going to yeah, so stay tuned when I'll probably review 20 guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to smash that subscribe, like, comment and share. That's more daily videos coming up soon. And peace out till next time. Bye. Bye 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 bye. I've been waiting for so long to get that bumper camera, and I finally got one! Oh yeah! Bring me down here. I've been waiting for so long to get a new camera. Fucking windy. What is that, you bastard? Oh no, shit. Oh, new camera. New camera things. Thank you, Callum. Oh.